Oh yeah, the Optera Steams, those Scania ones.
I love Optera M ones.
No, there was a single door version of it.
Yes, they were. Yeah, they had single and double door.
I love the Omni sounds.
Yeah,
The East Lancs
well, the thing
Omni
is,
sounds.
we don't use one of the dual door until like.
Oh yeah.
It was a quality line example.
Oh, Telephone.
There's no, there were actually things.
There's a 281 on the B4.
Street lock. I know it's not street lock. One RRZ. Cheers, driver.
Right, cheers.
You should get a trouble card. You'll say upstairs. Call upstairs.
Yeah, just go upstairs.
Sure, upstairs.
Maybe upstairs, guys.
It's actually an empty bus.
Oh, sweet.
Goes about.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, the nerves weren't as bad as
Yes, I've got bad.
before the test. The nerves were bad because I was practicing for them.
No, this guy's a fat bag.
All here, yeah.
Bruce Bag is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes.
Excuse the laugh.
All of us are here.
Well, apart from
And it's been what?
why, you know, we all squatted up. We all squatted up.
My laugh has dropped. This is not normally how I laugh.
Funny thing is, at the halfway point, I was ahead of time. So I got to question 21. And I was ahead of time. Get it out. And I got to question 32. 2 minutes. There's no question. Yeah.
Did you catch the fleet number 2492?
Yeah.
So we're on board Transport UK ADL 500 Hybrid 2492 SN61 CYO on the 45 to Elephant Castle. As you may know, that's on February 2025 coming up. The Route 45 will be cut back between Camberwell, Green Elephant Castle and between Brixton Hill and Clapham Park, and will be rerouted to Morden Station, replacing the half of the route 118 that will sadly be withdrawn.
Yesterday, guess where the stop? Yeah, from Mark.
Ah, what? There was Sunday.
They do when the Victoria's shut.
Oh wow.
For some reason. Probably to interconnect to
Bromley North.
yeah, to get the Bromley South.
I remember when Ramsgate services used to stop at Grove Park.
Really?
Yeah, Ramsgate.
Wow.
That was like 2019, 2018.
Yeah, 2018. I remember once a day Ramsgate served.
Yes. Yeah.
It was once a day.
Was it once a day or was it twice?
Like once or twice, I remember. Because I've managed to call. I've asked them to choose one before.
Oh yeah.
As well.
I forgot where the 45 goes through to get to Elephant.
Goes Newington Butts.
Yeah. Oh, so Newington Butts then.
Newington Butts.
New
Goes
things.
Stockwell. Stockwell.
Oval.
No, but I made the joke. I made the joke. My friend when he went to where. I kept going, oh, where?
Where?
I went W-A-R-T.
No, where? W-A-R-E.
Yeah, near Hartford.
Station.
Hartford.
On the
I don't know why I said T. I meant E.
Elephant Castle.
I remember the 317s from that movie.
Oh yeah, now they got bloody 720s on that.
I don't know.
I had a 720 on the Stansted Express once.
Yeah, they
How was
substitute
that?
them sometimes.
How was that?
Fine. No, it wasn't.
Yeah, I've heard the other flirts, the ones that we used.
They're upgrading the Stansted Express units to have tables now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I managed to get on one like last year.
I went on an intercity set on Stansted Express, declassified first
I
class.
remember the
baby.
91s, the class 91s.
Oh,
You mean 90s?
Yeah.
Some of them are still in service.
Where's Anglia?
Oh.
Yeah, the
Great.
ones that got swept.
Greater angle
Yeah,
than
the
the
class
90s.
90s, not the 91s.
Yeah, 90s.
You also, you know, this Sandor stock's still in operation.
Is it?
Yeah, Night Riviera.
That.
Night with Riviera.
That's the last
It's like
one.
£300 though, per person.
No, not if you book in advance, it's like 50 or 100 quid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, the sleeper set is on my bucket list.
Yeah, that. Go to
The Caledonian,
Highlands.
the Caledonian's a bit expensive though.
It is.
Yeah,
Night
but-
Riviera's alright, but with the Night Riviera, if you book a room, you get complimentary room service breakfast.
Caledonian do as well.
Good old fry
Yeah.
up on the train. Yes, please.
Hot, on the Caledonian sleeper, you get fry up.
Nice.
Wait, what?
Yeah, bacon
Yeah.
and eggs.
Yeah, you get
Mushroom.
fry
fry up on Caledonian sleeper.
Wait, have you done Caledonian?
No, but I've heard from other people that have done it. They said you get one of them on Caledonian.
God damn. Wait, what's the Caledonian?
The one that goes to Scotland.
Yeah, it goes to that Malay.
They all go to
No, it's
Scotland.
Fort William.
Oh, Fort William. That's
Oh, you
it.
mean the Highlander?
The Highlands.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Highlander.
The there's a lowland that goes Glasgow.
Edinburgh,
Yeah.
Glasgow.
Oban, isn't it? No, it doesn't go
No,
Oban.
no, you have to swap at like Korean Larrick.
Yeah, Queen Larry.
No, to get to Oban, you can go Fort William as well.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
They
yeah,
go-
but then if you're doing it by train, it's better to swap at Korean Larrick.
Oh yeah. Then Tintrum Lower, I believe. Not Upper Tintrum. Tintrum Lower.
Yeah,
There's 2 stations.
yeah, you can
Yeah.
walk between them.
Yeah, you can.
Imagine if you forgot you got out of Kerala.
Oh,
my.
Kawawa. Oh, it's a lovely station.
Oh, correct.
But if you get stuck there,
Then you're fucked.
Yeah.
See if you can get a hotel room. You can be able to, I think you can be able to get a hotel room.
yeah,
For
right
like
by the station.
£400 a night.
It depends if they got the rooms.
Yeah,
If
it
not,
does.
you're going to have to sleep outside.
Because they sell out quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is Queen Norwich, Owsay, Moore, Malay, Upper Tintrum, Rannoch, and Rannoch Moor.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. So it was like,
But that's my bucket list.
Yeah. I've done the night Riviera. I want to do the Caledonian.
Oh, how was it? The Night Riviera experience?
It is very good. You get nice. You can get a single or a bunk bed. But on Caledonian Sleeper they do double beds.
Double?
Yeah. We have to pay like £300 for a double bed.
No, thank you.
But if you have a room if you have one of the high tier rooms, you get lounge access that used to the Caledonian Sleeper lounge.
Yeah, but for that money, you are expected to like pay the price.
Yeah, and then obviously with that you get okay, with a standard room you have to pay for breakfast, but if you're in a premium room you get it complimentary. Whereas on Night Riviera it's just all rooms you get complimentary breakfast. You get I think you can get porridge or a bacon roll.
Yeah. For like £8.
No, included in your room if you go on the Night Riviera.
Matthew, I want to show you something. Guess is where this is from and to. Look, it's Hamilton.
Duffy.
Yeah.
£41.
That is actually not bad.
That is actually cheap for that.
That's only because you go at midday, you arrive there in the evening.
Ah, no. Because the trains, like, there's only like 8 trains a day.
Yeah, you go there, I would say spend the night there, and then,
Yeah.
I mean, it's only cheap because you leave in the evening the next day, I'd say.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I've been there once.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very remote and desolate.
Oh,
Hmm? Wait, what?
members only video.
Oh, Pub Strip. Beep, beep.
Mimi.
I want to go to Eurostar, by the old Eurostar. I miss
Yeah.
them trains.
It's still in service.
Are they?
Yeah. 373s.
Yeah, but
I've
how
been
much-
on them.
how much is they?
version.
Oh my god, this is unrefurbished one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the
unrefurbished.
unrefurbished one.
Yeah, got
I
that.
seen them on the
How many times a
156.
day does it run? The 37?
3.
I've been on the US store.
Not many, isn't it?
No.
Yeah,
I went on the Eurostar. I can say I've done the Eurostar because I did it when I was 2 years old.
I've done it when I was 8 and I was sick on the way back. Oh, I miss them trains.
Oh, the good old
Bring them back.
Vex.
Bring them back.
Wait,
This
what's
is a
that?
43.
What is
Let
that?
me
Class
see.
43?
Oh,
Is it a
Slambo
phone
train.
Oh, yeah,
car?
yeah.
Phone car?
That's 2000.
No, 43. It's just a standard slam door.
Oh, yeah.
Because it has 3 at the front, so I think it's a 423. The bumpers with the 203s and 205s.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I miss them trains. I used to get them at Grove Park, my local,
Yeah.
where you could just smell the cigarette smoke in the carriages.
Yeah, because my mate lives in Grove Park.
Is it?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Where's it? You know, by Cooper's Lane.
Yeah, I know Cooper's Lane. Yeah.
Oh, I know where Cooper Lane is. Because my local, one of my locals got the 273.
Yeah, Cooper's Lane. You think they'll bring them trains back into service? It's not your stuff.
No, they were banned from 2005.
Why are they banned? Is it because of the Disability Act?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Ding dong.
Wow. But surely there's one in that preservation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a few in preservation by 400 series group.
Is it? Right, is it the one that's based in like Suffolk?
Somewhat like that, like East Kent Railway.
Is it the Dim Church? No, not Dim Church.
One thing I haven't done is a small railway.
Ah.
Oh. An ex Swindon Post Company president is now a fire trader.